Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the phone. We're doing a real big over here in front of Warner Brothers. Olive Street, Pass Avenue, and Warner Boulevard. Right next to the Starlit. There's a Mexican restaurant. Doesn't even look like it. Let's go get some breakfast. Good morning, Brandon. Good morning. Hi. Let's check it out. Looks like they're seating outside, but look at the weather. No one's gonna want to eat outside. El Carpintero Mexican restaurant is open already. Ooh, Shazam's almost here. Maybe we'll check that movie out. Expectations very low. Oh, look. It looks so nice in here. I like it when the place is empty and it's only for us. Look at the rooster bears. Looks like somebody's house. I like it. They have breakfast, burritos, fried egg sandwich, egg dishes, omelets, hotcakes, and French toast. They got jarritos and horchata and whatnot. You can order one pancake, one hotcake. Breakfast served until 11:30 a.m. I'm skipping the breakfast and going with the carne asada with the Z. And this one includes an enchilada, rice and beans. Look at that. Yeah, let's do it.
I know what
they have different types of appetizers, nachos, flautas, combinations, enchiladas, and whatnot, quesadillas, salads, tostadas, specialties, which is what I got, carne asada, seafood. I believe they have shrimp tacos, fish tacos, burritos, of course. Brandon, we get chips and salsa. This chip is fresh and warm. Let's try it with the salsa. Horchata time. Oh, real cinnamon, huh? Yummy, not too sweet. Finally, I ordered carne asada, well done. Comes with the enchilada, rice and beans. Look at that, that looks yummy. Oh, extreme close up. Whoa, whoa. Brandon got some fries. They're super fresh. Oh, it's super yummy. Tastes like McDonald's. Nana got breaded shrimp. Comes with rice and salad and whatnot, fries. Selena B's got chicken nachos. Look at that. Brandon also got pancakes. Breakfast of champions, huh? Good job, enjoy. Get a piece of asada. Let's try it. I have some Mino soup coolers, but I never really usually eat soup. Look at this, enchilada. Yeah, the cheese enchilada is yummy. I like all of this. Let's get to 5. I like it. Brandon's hot cake. We're gonna steal a piece from him. And since he doesn't use maple syrup, we're gonna hog it all.
Yay!
Let's take a closer look. So I tried one of Nona's shrimp and the shrimp was actually pretty big. I think she liked it because it's gone. Yeah? Good job. That's me over there when I'm hungry. The one on top. Oh, yeah. All this place needs is a little music in the background. But it looks awesome. I think that's Pancho Villa over there. Look at that guy. And El Barrindero. Dude, I can't remember his name. That's crazy. Cantinflas. There you go. That's his name. Here's the receipt, my guys. 4 people. Not bad. We got some we couldn't finish. Brandon fries, hot cake, Selena some nachos and a taco, so
Or chocolate to go.
we're chat to go. I was so happy that my plate came with the enchilada. That was yummy. It was just cheese, but you could add whatever you want to it with an upcharge. Nono's was good. I like the shrimp. I didn't try the nachos, but I'm sure they were good, right?
They were good.
Yeah. This place gets a 4.5. Easy. Right, Brandon? Yeah. Velma, not interested. Nice little spot. Next to this building, luxury apartments. That's crazy. If you're enjoying the fun, drop a like.